Hi there. Welcome to the Mother is Born channel. Today, we're stepping into the second month of pregnancy, and I want to share with you how your body goes through an incredible transformation and how a tiny life starts shaping up. We'll explore step by step what happens during this special stage and how both your body and your baby are changing. In the second month, your body is working really hard to support your baby's growth. Morning sickness, nausea, mood swings, frequent trips to the bathroom, food cravings, or tender breasts are all completely normal. These are your body signals that it's nurturing a tiny miracle. As for the baby, it's slowly starting to take a human shape. On an ultrasound, it might still look like a tiny frog or a bent tube. But here's the amazing part. During the second month, your baby grows 10,000 times its original size. Facial features begin to appear, eyes, nose, and ears start forming. The head is still large compared to the body, which is completely normal. Around the 6th week, your doctor might even let you hear your baby's heartbeat. Limbs and genitalia are also developing, although not fully distinguishable yet. Most major organs have started forming by now, making this a very critical period. Nutrition becomes extremely important in the second month. The myth of eating for two is not true, but healthy and sufficient food intake is essential. Include green leafy vegetables, colorful fruits, whole grains, enough protein, and plenty of water. Don't skip the vitamins and mineral supplements recommended by your doctor, especially folic acid and iron, because they are crucial for the baby's early development. The second month is where the magic of pregnancy really begins. Your body changes may feel challenging at times, but every symptom is a reminder that a new life is forming. Over time, you'll adjust to these changes and enjoy watching your baby grow step by step. In short, the second month is a period of harmony and preparation for both your body and your baby. Watching a miracle grow week by week with the signals your body gives is truly fascinating. If you want more tips and insights on this journey, we're waiting for you at Mother is Born. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's continue exploring this amazing journey together.